Artificial intelligence, AI, refers to the simulation of human intelligence processes by machines, particularly computer systems. These processes include learning, reasoning, problem solving, perception, and language understanding. AI can be categorized into various types and approaches. 1. Types of AI narrow AI, weak AI, designed for a specific task, such as facial recognition or language translation. Most current AI applications fall into this category. General AI, strong AI, aims to perform any intellectual task that a human can do with consciousness and understanding. It remains a theoretical concept and is not yet achieved. Artificial superintelligence, ACI. Hypothetical AI that surpasses human intelligence across all fields. It is a topic of debate and speculation regarding its potential impact on society. 2. Approaches to AI machine learning, ML. A subset of AI, where algorithms learn from and make predictions or decisions based on data. Key techniques include supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. Deep learning a subset of ML that uses neural networks with many layers, deep neural networks, to model complex patterns in data. It's especially useful in image and speech recognition. Natural language processing, NLP, enables machines to understand and interact with human language, used in applications like chatbots and language translation services. Robotics the design and creation of robots that can perform tasks autonomously or semi-autonomously, often using AI for decision-making. 3. Applications of AI healthcare AI assists in diagnosing diseases, personalizing treatment plans, and analyzing medical images. Finance used for fraud detection, algorithmic trading, and personalized financial advice. Transportation powers self-driving cars and optimizes logistics and supply chain management. Customer service AI-driven chatbots and virtual assistants handle customer queries and automate routine tasks. 4. Ethical and societal considerations bias and fairness AI systems can perpetuate or even exacerbate biases present in their training data. Privacy the use of AI in surveillance and data analysis raises concerns about data privacy and security. Employment AI and automation have the potential to disrupt job markets and require strategies for workforce adaptation. Autonomy and control questions about how much control we should have over AI systems and their decision-making processes. AI is a rapidly evolving field with the potential to significantly impact many aspects of daily life and industry. Its development involves balancing innovation with ethical considerations to ensure beneficial outcomes for society.